Between a lot of my projects, I like to experiment with different types of finishes. And one of the things I wanted to try out was applying a number of these all in a single project. And that's where this little box comes in. So I had used a number of different oil-based finishes, dyes, and design and hardware features to create this. So what I'd like to show you is how I did all of that and how that can be applied in a number of different areas. So let's start out first by showing you how I ebonized the wood.
First thing we're going to do with this project is ebonize the box with India ink. I really like India ink as a little goes a long way, and it provides a very even finish. While India ink provides a nice dark finish to the project, it doesn't provide a protective layer. For that, we're going to be using some Rubio Monocoat. Now, this Rubio Monocoat is charcoal, and it's going to apply some subtle coloration into the grain pattern of the wood with some light gray. To use Rubio Monocoat, we have to first mix the actual oil-based finish and an accelerator. This will allow the Rubio to dry in a shorter period of time. To apply Rubio Monocoat, only a little bit is needed on the wood, and then it is worked into the pores with a white scrubbing pad. Once we have the Rubio worked into the pores of the wood grain, we simply wipe off the excess. This Rubio will provide some subtle charcoal hints throughout the wood grain instead of just a matte black finish. Next, we're going to be inserting some mahogany accents. These will provide a good color contrast between the ebonized box and the light shade of mahogany. Using the mini block plane, we can bring these mahogany inserts flush with the side of the box. For the top of the box, we are going to take this piece of leopardwood and apply some Rubio Monocoat Pure to it. This will really highlight the unique features of leopardwood and provide a stunning accent piece for the top of this box. Now we're going to apply some hardware to the box. These decorative pieces are of a bronzed finish and contrast well with the ebonized wood. Adding this latch to the front of the box will provide some unique characteristics, as well as a fun little securing mechanism. Now let's attach the leopard wood to the top of the box to provide the accent piece. For the interior, we're going to line it with red felt. This contrasts very well with the colors of the exterior of the box. We're going to use a template and some fabric scissors to make sure our cuts are accurate to the interior measurements. To attach the felt, we're going to use some 3M Super Strength spray adhesive. This will help attach the fabric, but any adhesive won't bleed through the fabric. To make sure that the fabric has attached properly to the wood, we gently press it in with our fingers and the back of the glue brush to ensure proper adhesion.
Well, that concludes this video on how I finished the small box and the different techniques I had used. If you like this video, click like and subscribe to the channel. It really helps the channel grow. All right, thank you.